Hello and welcome to this learning video. In this learning video, we are going to take another variety of problem on the topic rank correlation. Let's see what is given to us. So we have to find out the rank correlation coefficient for the given data. So what is the number of data here? Here, number of given data that is n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now to find out the rank correlation coefficient, we need d square, and for that we have to do the tabular calculations. So let us have this. So first one is the value of x, then we have the value of y, then we have rank in x, that is R1, then we have rank in y, that is R2, then we have d as R1 minus R2, and at last we have d squared. Okay, so substitute these values now. So we have 25, 28, 39, 25, 24, 30, 48, 45, 38, and 25. Now substitute the values of y that we have. Okay, so we have the values 44, 34, 28, 32, 34, 29, 35, 42, 24, 30. Now I want you to pause the video for a minute, assign the ranks R1 and R2, and then resume the video. So I hope you might have assigned the ranks. So let us cross check. So to assign the ranks in X, what is the largest number? 48. So I will assign it a rank 1. Then the next one is 45. So it will get rank 2. After 48, we have 39. So it will get rank 3. Then we have 38, it will get rank 4. After 38, we have 30, so it will get rank 5. And then after 30, we have 28. So 28 is this, so it will get rank 6. After 28, we have 25. So 25 it is at 3 place, 1, 2, and 3. So how many ranks we have assigned? Up to 6. So these are at rank 7. So all these 3 values will get the average value, like 7 plus 8 plus 9 divided by 3. So this is 8. So 25 will get rank 8 over 25. Okay. So I have already make use of rank up to 9. So the next value will get rank 10. So what is the last value? That's 24. So it will get rank as 10. Likewise, you can assign rank in y. So in rank in y, what is the biggest value we have here is 44. So it will get rank 1. Then after 44, we have 42 will get rank 2. After 42, we have 34, 3 and 4. We have 35, so 35 will get rank 3. And then we have 34, so 34 is at 2 times it is repeated. So both are at rank 4. But as this is repeated, I have to give I have to assign the average value. So 34, 34. So this is 4, this is 5. So average value 4 plus 5 by 2, that is 4.5. So these 34 will get ranked as 4.5. Okay. So I have make use of rank up to 5. Next will get the rank. Which one? 6. Very good. 34. Then this 32. 32 will get rank 6. After 32 we have 30. So 30 will get rank as 7. Then 29 will get rank as 8. Then 28 will get rank as 9. And at last 24 will get rank at 10. Okay. So rank cannot exceed the number of given data. Okay. Now take the difference. 8 minus 1 is 7. 6 minus 4.5 is 1.5. 3 minus 9 is minus 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. 10 minus 4.5 is 5.5. Then 5 minus 8 is minus 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus 10 is minus 6. And 8 minus 7 is 1. Now take the square of these values. So this is 49, this is 2.25, 6 square 36, 2 square 4, 5.5 square is 30.25, then 3 square is 9, 2 square 4, 0 square 0, 3 square 36, 1 square 1. So find out this summation d square value. So summation d square value comes out to be, what is it? So I want you to find out this summation d square value and resume the video. So this is 171.5. Okay. Now after getting this, you need to find out the correlation coefficient. Rank correlation coefficient R is equal to 1 minus, this is n into n squared minus 1, and here we can have 6 into summation d square plus. Now as you can see here, we have some terms are repeated. In x is repeated 25, 3 times it is repeated, so I have to add a factor 1 by 12, 3 cube minus 3 plus in y this 34 is repeated 2 times, so again I have to add the factor 1 by 12, 2 cube minus 2. Okay. So now you have all these values, substitute and find out the answer. So this is 1 minus 6 into summation d square, that's 171.5 plus 1 by 12. 3 cube is 27 minus 3, that's 24, plus 1 by 12, 8 minus 2 is 6, divided by n square. N square is this 10 into 10 square. 10 square is 100 minus 1. So this comes out to be 1 minus 1.0. What is it? 0.545. Okay, which is equal to minus 0.0545. So this is my rank correlation coefficient for the given data. So I hope the problem is clear to you. So this is what we have in this learning video. So enjoy learning and thank you for watching this learning video. Thank you.